This is the selfie spot in Colmore Square.
There's a motto there.
So this is the supposed selfie spot on Eden Place, which I assume it is anyway. And it looks to be closed, or it's padlocked up. Centenary Square. Silent disco, apparently. Square. I didn't even know it was called that. It's actually quite new. Very nice though. New development. Hotel built into the old buildings, or at least utilising the old buildings. Linked into the new ones, mind you. But very nice indeed. And here is the square. So I had no idea it was called Newhall Square, but Newhall Street is just in that direction behind those buildings. So it's in Bull Square.
Thank you. MailBox. You can do a send message.
Hippodrome Square. This is the roof of stars on Thorpe Street. I think I'm sucking up a one-way street. So there's this positive spin out the back of the mailbox on the canal side. See the canal down there.